Fallacy Hunt. Unmasking Errors in Arguments. Hello and welcome to another lesson on English language learning. Today, we are going to dive into the exciting world of debates and discussions, particularly focusing on identifying logical fallacies. Logical fallacies are common errors in reasoning that undermine the logic of an argument. By the end of this video, you'll have the ability to spot and analyze these errors like a true debate champion. So, what exactly is a logical fallacy? In simple terms, a logical fallacy is a flaw in reasoning. It's like a hole in the logic of an argument that makes it less credible. People often use these fallacies, knowingly or unknowingly, to convince others of their points of view. But as critical thinkers and keen English language learners, we're going to learn how to spot and dissect them. There are many types of logical fallacies, but we'll go through some of the most common ones. 1. Ad hominem fallacy. This is when someone attacks the person making the argument, rather than the argument itself. 2. Strawman fallacy. Here, one person distorts or exaggerates the other person's argument, making it easier to attack. 3. Appeal to authority. This fallacy happens when someone uses the opinion of an authority as evidence, even when that authority is not an expert on the subject. 4. Slippery slope. This involves arguing that one small event will inevitably lead to a chain of events, with a catastrophic outcome, even when there's no evidence of this happening. 5. Circular argument. This happens when the argument's conclusion is used as its premise, basically repeating the same point with different words. Identifying logical fallacies can be tricky, but it's a crucial skill for effective communication and debate. To spot these fallacies, you need to critically examine the argument. Ask yourself, does the conclusion logically follow the premise? Is the person making personal attacks instead of addressing the argument? Is an authority figure being used to justify an argument, even when they are not an expert on the topic? Now that we've learned about these fallacies, it's time for practice. The best way to get better at spotting fallacies is by engaging in or listening to debates and identifying any logical fallacies that come up. Also, reading opinion pieces or watching political debates can offer a rich resource for practice. And that's a wrap on our crash course on identifying logical fallacies. With these skills, not only will your English comprehension and communication improve, but you'll also be a sharper thinker, capable of dissecting arguments and spotting errors in reasoning. Remember, it's not just about learning English. It's about mastering the art of effective and logical communication. Keep practicing, and happy fallacy hunting!